I know. I'm hungry. All right, let's get back into the world of temptations. We're going to talk to you right here about this set of two 14-ounce lidded tumblers. Now, beautiful thing about these is we need a great tumbler, right? These are double-walled, and they're the classic pattern. So they're old world and floral lace in one. Now, the color I have with me is the black. We also have confetti, 800 left in confetti, and we also have the red, and there are 250 remaining there. Now, each one is 14 ounces in size. They were $19.84. They are now $13.23. Something from Temptations for less than $15, that is a great find. And we have them on free shipping because it's free shipping day here at QVC, and they're on 3 easy payments of $4.41. Woo! That free shipping's gone at the end of the day, but if you don't get them today, they're going to be gone for good because there is no reorder. And Lisa Lasorte is back with us. My friend, I would love to be sitting next to you having a great glass of something.
With these, I use them every single day. I don't understand actually how we're presenting them at this price because we all see them in our coffee shops everywhere, and they're crazy, right? So a couple things about the construction: 14 ounces, BPA free, dishwasher safe. Yes, dishwasher safe. Top rack. The fact that it keeps hotter longer, colder longer, and then not even that. Like this ombre design right here, I have the red. Look how pretty this is. Aww. So all the different colors, like everything from like the Merlot, then we go to the beautiful soft pink, we come into the bright reds. You see the little hints of old world and floral lace there. Then look at the lid. So amazing. And you're going to snap it on, but check it out. Has a little fingerprint right there. So easy open, easy close. And I just have to give a big call out to this because I've made this mistake many times. I buy these and they don't fit in my cup holder. Well, guess what? These fit. I took this out of my car just a minute ago. In your cup holder, in your car. I did. So I just want to show you, yes, they fit, and there's no handle to obstruct them fitting in.
Can I?
Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous.
Again, the cup holder detail I love, but can we show the opening too? You even carved out a little round portion of the sippy lid so that I could get my straw in there.
For a straw, and so it doesn't also come out like a fire hose into your mouth, okay? It's like the appropriate size opening. So when you go to drink it, it's so easy breezy. But when you think about these, first of all, again, basically indestructible, BPA free, going to keep hot hotter longer, cold colder. And look what I did here, Mary, just some ideas. So I actually did a smoothie in here, but I did a little cheat. Like, you know, the things that you get, you know, these things that you buy at the grocery store, like this size?
Yes.
But I'm going to be out running around all day. Great. It's nice and cold. Pour it in here. Then, like you said, now it's going to keep it cold for me. So it's not in this plastic anymore that I'm drinking out of. And then to your point, I pop my straw right in.
Heaven.
I mean,
heaven.
This could also work for mimosas. I'm just saying, Mary.
Just in case anyone is doing any field research. It'll work for mimosas. Hey, you were just showing us that adorable set of two in red.
Yes.
And I love that we have the different shades in the pattern too. Super cute. Now, in your hands is the confetti.
Yeah, I'll leave it right down here. Kev can get in close. So you're getting two. And here, I want to show you one filled because I think you can kind of see. So here I have it filled with my coffee. By the way, while we're right there, watch. Fits perfectly right under your automatic coffee maker. So fabulous.
Heavenly.
But yeah. Look at the confetti. So if you love all of those like blues and greens and purples and reds and yellows, that's perfect. And then look how gorgeous that white top is, or that orchid top is. And then here's the black. Again, that gorgeous ombre look right there, where from top to bottom, you get the gradations of the blacks, the grays, the dove grays, the charcoals. And this to me is kind of like, this is something my husband would love to carry, this color right here. And then look how gorgeous
cute.
that
By the
red
way,
is.
The red.
So here we go.
Oh gosh, we only have about 100 sets remaining in the red. You don't want to. You don't want to wait on this price. By the way, the clearance price is $13.24. It's $6.62 per gift per tumbler.
Yes.
However you want to look at it, but it keeps your drinks hot and cold. Double wall insulation, dishwasher safe.
Totally.
And I love the fact that you're getting free shipping today. I don't know, Lisa, I may have forgotten to mention that in this show today.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say it's free shipping day on QVC?
I've been shouting it. I know.
Mary.
I get so excited. I get so excited about free shipping day. I clear my wish list on free shipping day, and it's on QVC.com. It's on all of our shows. But Lisa, spring is right around the corner. It starts March 20th. This is the perfect time to refresh your tumbler, and I love the fact that I can fit a straw in the lid. That's a prerequisite for me.
I love it. And I just want to show you up close here. Here's what's great about this. The lid is great for when you're on the go. And think about the kids, too, when all the spring sports are starting up again, right? And they need to stay hydrated. By the way, we all need to stay hydrated.
That's true, it's true.
But here's the part that I love. The fact that if I'm having dinner outside on the deck or the patio, that's fine. Take the lid off. You now have a double-walled tumbler that will coordinate back to your Temptations. Throw a little straw in there. Oh, by the way, check it out with the drink dispenser that's coming up. Like, this is what this brand is all about,
look
right?
How cute.
Right. Look how pretty this is. Everything mixes and matches together. But this is versatile, functional, affordable way to hydrate. What's going on?
This, you know how my poll question is, what are you looking forward to most in spring?
Okay.
Here's my answer.
Yes.
This is my answer right here when you see me on screen. This is it. Me on the deck with my tumbler.
Right?
Jen Coffee.
Exactly.
Jen Coffee just walked onto set from Saturday Morning Q and said, "What is happening?"
Jen, come join the fun because Temptations is all about beautiful relaxation.
Kind of weird dreams.
Like, here's your cocktail,
Why
ma'am.
am I in a bathing suit? Why are you on the couch? Hi, Tara.
What's in it? This bathing suit is part of Saturday Morning Q.
Yeah, it's on clearance, $44. You probably can't. Can they hear me? My mic's
It's $44 on clearance. But just we can hear you. But
okay.
Since we're talking about deals,
well, I didn't think you were going to do that.
$13.
Who's upstairs?
Wait a minute. Can I just tell? That's Tom Quinn upstairs.
Quinny!
And I gave both
trouble
names.
again.
But wait a minute. Before the show today, Lisa, Jen, our dressing rooms are very close to each other. I yelled down the hallway, "Hey, have fun on Saturday Morning Q. I'm going to lay down on the couch during In the Kitchen with Mary." And right as I laid down, you came around the corner.
That's when I walked in.
It's perfect. Give that girl a mimosa.
Cheers.
She
Cheers.
deserves a mimosa.
Hey, give me that glass back. Man! You know what? Thanks, Jen. The timing was out of this world. And Quinny, she said you're in timeout. 1,000 of these have been picked out. The red choice is sold out. Well, and wait, the bathing suit close to being gone.
Sold out.
Here is the black on set with me. That's the one that Jen just tried to walk away with. We have about 1,200 remaining in the black. And then we also have confetti, and that's the one with the pretty rose lid. About 400 remaining in the confetti. K51839, these are wildly popular. I get it. And you know what? This is what the world of Temptations is all about. Temptations was my very first purchase here at QVC. I still have both of those lidded bakers, and I love the fact that now, after 21 years of helping us really not only get our tabletop together and entertain better, but really affordable ideas like this one. This is an everyday must-have.
Every single day. And here are the colors that are left. And they're really great colors for everybody, right? Because here's the gray. So I love this fact. I'm sorry, we're calling it black. I love the fact that this is great for anybody, right? And it's that ombre design. So it's the highs and lows of all colors of black and gray. Then we have that beautiful spring multicolor set. Now, we have no plans of doing anything like this again, Mary, because as you know, we have so much coming in on our 21st year that we got to clear the shelves.
Girl, you said it.
Look how pretty this is, right? I mean, this is not only about hydrating more, about keeping hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer, BPA free, dishwasher safe on the top rack. This is about having a pretty drink holder in your hand, right? So that people stop you, they look at you. We're all attracted to those things. At this value, it's truly unheard of. It's just fabulous.
$6.62 a piece.
Right.
And they're on free shipping. Now that free shipping gone at the end of the day, no reorder, already lost one color. Lisa Lasort, let's talk about that beverage dispenser coming up in just a little bit. Thank you, my friend.
Perfect.
Oh, I can't wait.